Hello children, today we are going to revise the chapter An Indian American Woman in Space, Kalpana Chawla. We will revise this chapter with the help of extra question answers and first we will revise reference to context. She was a heroine. It takes enormous ability to become an astronaut. You need to know a lot about everything from biology to astrophysics to aeronautical engineering. In this age of super specialization, you must have encyclopedic knowledge to be an astronaut. Her achievement is awe inspiring. Now, let us have a look on the question answers referring to the passage. Why is it difficult to be an astronaut? It is difficult to be an astronaut as astronaut should know about everything like biology, astrophysics, aeronautical engineering. He must have the knowledge of all these subjects. Why was she called a heroine by the journalist? She was called a heroine by the journalist as a heroine is the one who leads and done to take challenges, and she has taken a lot of challenges and she was a true leader in every sense. That's why a journalist has used the word heroine for Kalpana Chawla. Her achievement is awe inspiring. Do you agree to the statement? Yes, we agreed. Her achievements are beyond measures. She studied in Karnal and became an astronaut by her efforts. What is encyclopedia? Encyclopedia is a book or set of books giving information on many subjects or on many aspects of one subject and typically arranged alphabetically. Awe is used to describe Awe is used to describe a feeling of respect mixed with fear or wonder or surprise. After a Bachelor of Science degree in Aeronautical Engineering against great opposition from her father, she went for a master's degree to the United States of America. She later earned her PhD in Aerospace Engineering. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American woman astronaut to blast off from the launch pad at Cape Canaveral, Florida, and participate in a successful mission in space. Her family from India cheered along with staff at the Kennedy Space Center as they watched the Columbia lift off. Now, question answers related to this passage are: state whether the statement is correct or not. She went for a master's degree to the USA with the consent of her father. No, her father was against against that. So she has gone without his father's permission. So the statement is false. From where did the space shuttle launched? Space shuttle was launched from Canaveral, Florida. What was the reaction of her family when Columbia left off? The family was very happy when Columbia left off. From where did she earn her PhD? She had earned her PhD from United States of America. The phrasal verb for blast and lift is blast off, lift off. Kalpana was born in Karnal, Haryana, but was a naturalized US citizen. Married to flight instructor Jean Pierre Harrison. Besides being an astronaut, she was licensed to fly single and multi engine land airplanes, single engine seaplanes, and gliders. She was also a certified flight instructor. After qualifying as a pilot, Kalpana began to consider another challenge applying to NASA's Space Shuttle program. She was first hired as a research scientist at NASA in 1994. She was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. So you can see in this paragraph that she was very talented. That's why she has opted so many things. And by her tremendous effort, she was hired as a research scientist at NASA. What was the birthplace of Kalpana? Kalpana was born in Karnal, Haryana. Whom did she marry? She was married to Jean Pierre Harrison. What was her another challenge? She was a qualified pilot and she applied for NASA's Space Shuttle program. When was she selected by NASA? She was selected by NASA in 1994 as an astronaut. What does the word naturalized mean? Naturalized means acquiring citizenship of a country that one is not born into. Like Kalpana was not born in America, but she has got the citizenship of America. Now we will learn some small question answers. How successfully has Kalpana Chawla's chased her dream? Kalpana Chawla's followed her dream. Her great achievement was that she was selected to go into space. Her achievement was awe-inspiring. Question 2. How did Kalpana Chawla meet her end? When did his tragedy take place in space? Kalpana Chawla went up in a space shuttle up along with six other astronauts on Saturday, February 1, 2003. The shuttle Columbia broke apart. All the seven on board were killed while entering into the atmosphere of the Earth. So she was met her end on February 1, 2003. What do you know about Kalpana Chawla's education? How did she become an American citizen? Kalpana Chawla graduated from Tagore School, Karnal. She got a Bachelor of Science degree in Aeronautical Engineering. She then went to the USA to earn her PhD. She became a naturalized US citizen. Then she got the citizenship over there. Kalpana Chawla was a heroine. How did a journalist support his statement? Kalpana was a heroine, no doubt in it. She was born in the small town of Karnal, but she was a genius. She became an astronaut. She had encyclopedic knowledge of so many subjects. She was very much talented. By her talent, she had made a great achievements. What message did she send from the space shuttle to students of her college? In a message she sent from Columbia to students of her college in Chandigarh, she told them that with courage they too can fulfill their dream. She wished them all of a great journey. I hope the chapter is clear to you all. Thank you.